So I usually do a video on how to tie a fancy bow around Christmas time, but I figured Mother's Day is as good as any other time to learn how to make a really pretty package. What I have here, now this is tulle instead of traditional ribbon. Tulle is really cost effective, plus it's pretty, it's light and airy and perfect for spring. So for my first piece, depending on the size of your box, you want it really long. Remember, you can always cut some to trim it, but you can't add some back. So make it extra long. And you're gonna start on the top of your box, right across in the middle. And you're gonna flip your box upside down. Now on the bottom, bring both pieces together and crisscross. So you're gonna pull the top piece down towards you and the bottom piece towards the top. Like that. So we crisscrossed. And then you're gonna flip the box back over. Hopefully nothing too damaging in there. Or fragile. Fragile. All right, so we're gonna secure this on the top with a double knot. And there you go. So that's the crisscross of the base. You could totally just tie a really simple, pretty bow right here on top and be done and have a gorgeous package. But we're gonna fluff it up and add some extra loops in there for the bow. So these are just some extra pieces of tulle that I'm going to, and it's harder to see with the tulle because it's kind of sheer, but I just folded them over each other to make a loop. So you can see I've got like a bow loop here, a bow loop there, and I'm gonna kind of scrunch it together in the middle like this and just kind of pin it down with my finger for the time being. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other one. Pinch it together in the middle with my finger. Now, the placement of this one is super important because I have this one and I'm gonna take my second little loop bundle and crisscross them. So I made like an X and got all this nice fluffy volume here. Now I'm gonna take that, put it down in the center of my box and of my ribbon, so you can see here. And then I'm gonna secure these two new little loops with my extra long pieces. And now, I made this piece a little short. Typically, you could just go back and tie. Oh yeah, it might work. There we go. Tie one more bow on top to hold it all together. And I'm gonna fluff out my tulle. And then this is my little extra long piece, so I can trim that.